So this is Nauru in a pandemic. This is Nauru in a pandemic, right? Same old, same old. Woo. Except I'm the only American in this island. It's really cool.